Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum, all of my friends. Welcome in K.Z Kitchen. As usual, I'm here with a beautiful recipe for you. Today we will make red kidney bean salad. We will see how restaurants prepare this recipe in their hotels. All the steps I will show you in this recipe in detail. So don't go anywhere. Stay with me for watching this amazing recipe. Let's start the preparation for this awesome recipe. I have arranged my ingredients. Let's start. First of all, I have boiled red kidney beans, 1 cup heaped, take in a bowl. Chopped capsicum, it's half. Add in it. Also, I have chopped tomato, it's 1 small tomato. Spring onion, it's about 3/4 cup, and I have taken its both parts, white and green. Now half teaspoon salt, 1 lemon, I will squeeze in it. Okay, this recipe is going to be a very wonderful recipe for today. In our daily life, we should must add beans, veggies, and lentils, and dairy products also. Now it's done. Keep it inside. Now make a dressing for this red kidney bean salad. Here I am taking 2 tablespoon regular cooking oil, and now also I'm gonna add eatable olive oil. It's also 2 tablespoon. Some chili sauce, it's also 1 tablespoon. Okay, now I am adding white pepper. If you don't have white peppers, so you can add black peppers. It's also half teaspoon. Okay, I'm using HP sauce. Usually I use this ingredient in my recipes. If you don't have this sauce, definitely you can use turmeric sauce. Now mix it well. That should be a nice and smooth dressing like this. It's looking very nice at this time too. Okay, now we will add this dressing on the top of our salad. I didn't mix anything. Now I am pouring my dressing on the top of my salad. It's looking very tempting. And also it's healthy. Let's mix our salad. Friends, isn't it a very quick and delicious recipe? If it is, so definitely you should try this recipe at your homes. Okay, let's serve our salad. Viewers, if you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly like, share and do subscribe to my channel. And definitely press the bell icon so you could get my all recipes notifications first and watch it immediately. Let's serve our salad. Mashallah, it's looking very pretty. The different colors, red, yellow, orange, white, and maroon brown. It's fascinating us. Okay, viewers, see you soon with another delicious and perfect and mind blowing recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Enjoy my recipe, please.